In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a new contact on your Samsung Galaxy phone. The first step is to locate the Contacts app on your phone. If you have no idea where that is, all you can do is swipe up on your home page. Then in the search bar, just type Contacts. It should pop up there. It will be that orange one that says Contacts. That will be the correct one. Then on this Contacts page, you can see a plus icon right over there. Tap on that plus icon. Then you would need to choose where you want to save this contact. For me, I'll just select phone and then I'll just hit just once just for now. Then you can fill in the information of the contact you would like to add. Then enter the phone number. I'll just put some random numbers. And once you've done that, hit save. And now you can see I've created a new contact by the name of Dave, and that would be saved on my phone, which I selected. So that is how you add a new contact on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.